Hey guys, today we're going to be changing the cabin filter on this. This is a Cummins LT625. It's an X15 engine, and we're going to go ahead and change our cabin filter, which is actually located right here. Alright, right here you can see you have two areas you have to push in and then slide this up. So if you can get those pushed in, see if I can get this. So that slides up. Once you get that slid up, you can pull it back. Comes out. You can pull your air filter out. It's your cabin filter. And this one is toast. Super dirty. Alright, so we're going to install our new one. So here's our new air filter. So make sure you install it the right flow going into the cab. This goes to the top, so it's going to go in like this. And you put your cap back on. There we go. Easy, done.